I guess you're not open for business yet.
No, I mean,
Dog wash,
we don't have any of the right stuff for like behind-the-scenes computer software.
Oh, I'm sorry, you said software.
Yeah.
Have you heard of Office 365?
No, what is that?
Oh, it's a new service from Microsoft. It combines Office products with big business class web services. You just use your own computers and phones.
So is that the thing in the cloud I keep hearing about?
When you hear the cloud, think of online. We do our banking online. We upload pictures to the web. So Office 365 is like having your own cloud just for your business.
Okay, but I'm a really small business. I gotta be honest, we don't have much money to get started.
That's where it works really well because it's just a monthly subscription fee. It's probably less than your cell phone bill.
So like right away, can I get going with like email and IM?
With email, you get two of the big corporations use called Exchange. With Exchange Online, you get reliable, commercial-free email that you use through Outlook. And then for IM, you get Link. Link's like IM on steroids. You can chat with text and you can chat with audio, but also video. You can start an online meeting. You can even share your desktop with folks.
So where do I keep all this information? We have like a Commodore 64 we're going to use as a server.
Well, that's where SharePoint Online comes in. That's about online storage and building websites. So you can build your internal site for your employees that you'll have soon. You can share documents and build team sites. And then it can also build your external site, the one the customers see, and link to all that information.
Okay, so now can you also explain to me what web apps are?
Web apps are online versions of Office. So Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote. You can get accessible to any time you have an internet connection. And if you already have Office, it just works seamlessly with those.
Doug, this is great. So how do I get started?
Do you have an online connection yet?
Yes, I have internet access.
Okay,
now.
well, you're great. All you have to do is go to office365.com. There's a start button. You can start right now.
Doug, thank you so much. Your first dog wash is on me. I'm going to go get started.
You hear that, Bella? You're going to get a free dog wash. Bella. Free dog wash.
So, Mr. Chester, I heard that Link was like, I am on steroids. Well, I've been on steroids, and I can't set up meetings or share my desktop like Link can, although sometimes I can call somebody.
Well, that's an excellent question, Scooter, considering what the steroids have clearly done to your brain.
Okay, so I've installed Office 365 and I've got my user account set up. Hey,
Laura,
Alyssa.
Claire here.
Hi, guys. How are you?
Yeah.
Listen, I've got this up and running, but if you could show me some of the really cool stuff that Tina and I can do with it, then maybe, she won't kill me.
All right. So this is Outlook. And Outlook is a great way for both you and Tina to stay in touch with your email, with your calendar, and your contacts.
Okay.
You each have your own Outlook account, but one of the great things about Office 365 is that it's really easy for you to share all of that information as well.
Cool.
So you can see you've got all sorts of things that you can do. You can send emails, you can send instant messages, you can set up your calendar. This little jelly bean, we call it right here, is a presence icon. And you can see right now that Tina is green. That means she's online. She might be somewhere else. She might be at her house right now, but she's online.
Really keeping tabs. I guess the yellow means?
Yellow means she might be away. Red might be she's on a phone call, something like that.
Great.
So super easy to see that she's online and available, and really easy for you straight from this presence icon to quickly fire up an instant message, set up an online meeting, contact her by email. Really, really easy for you to get in touch with her. It's pretty cool. The other thing I wanted to show you was you have all of that same rich functionality in what's called the Outlook web app. So if you happen to be on a client site or in the library or somewhere else where you're not at your regular PC and you're just accessing Office 365 over a browser, you've got all of the same rich functionality that we just showed you in Outlook on the Outlook web app. So again, you can see presence icons, you can look at shared calendars, you can see here's your calendar and here's Tina's calendar, straight from the web.
So I still have the jelly bean. Does it sync my schedule, my contacts?
All of your schedule, your contacts, your email, everything is always up to date. Same thing from your mobile device. One of the cool things about Office 365 is you've got access to all of the Outlook information on your mobile phone. So I know that you do a lot of scheduling of all the dog wash appointments. So if you're sitting here doing all the schedules, Tina can just have her mobile device with her. And if you type in the address of where she needs to go, it's very easy for her to just, within that meeting request, pull up the directions to the new dog wash appointment, and she's good to go. She doesn't have to worry about anything else. All of that information she needs to get work done is just on her mobile device.
All right there, all on your phone.
Exactly, always up to date.
So there's no excuse for Tina to miss a dog wash then?
No excuses.
Perfect. All right, thank you so much. Let's get Gus washed.
All right, let's go.
right, so I've got email and IM, but now I need a way to make my docs and office applications available anywhere. If I were clever, I'd have some kind of an online storage.
Knock, knock.
Perfect timing.
You don't have to be clever to set up online storage in Office 365. George and I will show you how. Now, you and Laura work as a team, so you need a shared list of tasks. So let's start a shared to-do list of things for you. Things you need to do today.
Okay.
We can create a OneNote notebook right here in your team document library. Now, this opens right up in the browser, so you can get to it from anywhere that has an internet connection.
No matter where I am.
Exactly. Now, I'll just set up your to-do list, and here's a time saver. OneNote creates tables automatically when you hit the tab key. Now, as you're going through your day, you can add items and update the list, and anyone else can too.
So if Laura's, say, washing her dog somewhere in Redmond, and she makes changes on her phone, I can get them here on my computer?
Exactly.
Oh, okay, this is perfect, Jessica.
You can even work on it at the same time, so no more confusion about who's supposed to do what.